Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Sleeklens.com, and in this video I'm going to demo a very simple edit from the new Lightroom preset collection called Miles and Memories, all about travel photography. So I have this photo right here. It's a really great photo starting out, but I actually want to enhance it a little bit more. I want to bring out a little bit more of the colors, especially in these lanterns up here. I think that's a really great focal point, especially when they all lead down to the model here. So that's a really great point that I want to bring out as much detail as I can with this particular area. So in this new collection, we have a lot of all-in-one presets that you can choose from. These are like one-click fixes, and you can see scrolling over in the navigation panel here, you can see a lot of before and afters. And there's one that I particularly want to play with, and that is called the all-in-one Hawaii preset. So I'm going to click on that one. And you can see it kind of gives a nice little low contrast effect there. I actually do like that, but we're going to bring out a little bit more detail. But overall, I like the tone of this one. So I'm done with the all-in-ones here. I'm going to go down to our basic adjustments here, and I'm going to click on the basic auto white balance. That's going to get me in the right spot as far as the white balance goes. Kind of cools it down a little bit, adds a little bit more magenta there, and that's kind of what I'm wanting there. I'm also going to do a basic high dynamic range boost that's going to bring out more detail. You can see it kind of pops a little bit of color there and a little bit of exposure, especially in this area. And then I'm going to add a little bit more vibrance because, again, we want to bring out some vibrance in these lanterns. We've got all these nice colors, so we're going to add a little bit more vibrance. And you can see it just adds a slight touch pop there, and that's exactly what we're going for. And then I'm going to do a couple color adjustments as well. I'm going to do a blue pop right there. And I'm going to do a warm pop as well. So there we go. That is our before and after. You can see the before and after here really brings out the detail. Also keeps that slight fade that we had, that slight low contrast look. And it just makes for a really, really great photo. So in just a matter of a couple minutes, not even a couple minutes, just maybe a minute or so of actually editing, we have a great photo before and after. So we can take these edits and apply them to a bunch of different other photos. So that's a really great way to use the new Miles and Memories Lightroom preset collection. So if you want to learn more about that, head on over to sleeklens.com and you'll see more information there about that particular collection. This has been Jordan from Sleeklens, and I'll see you in the next video.